Hi, thanks for joining me for this week's quick business tip. If you're ready to get real about making your business work for you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about those hidden costs that are slowly eating away at your marketing budget. Let's just be really honest for a second. Business is exciting, but it's also pretty stressful. And when you're getting started, you want to see results fast. There is this need to be everywhere, doing everything all of the time. And you might find yourself throwing money at ads, chasing all the latest social media trends, and trying every single bright, shiny new tool out there. But have you ever stopped to think about whether those dollars that you're spending are actually translating into paying clients? Here's the real talk. Marketing isn't a magic wand. You can't just wave some cash around and expect to have customers falling from the sky. There is a clear strategy behind every successful business. And the reality is that you might be sabotaging your own business without even knowing about it. Here are three common traps that a lot of especially new business owners find themselves in. First, we have the bright, shiny object syndrome. This is where you're seeing all of the latest information about AI tools, all-in-one software, every marketing gimmick and hack and trick out there that is promising you the world. But if you don't have a solid foundation for your marketing strategy, these things might do a lot more damage than good. And they're going to add a lot of clutter to your business and they're going to drain your budget really quickly. The next trap that business owners fall in is the do-it-all disease. You're spread way too thin. You are trying to be not only everything for your business, but every person in your marketing department. You're trying to be a designer, a copywriter, a videographer, and this is just really going to lead you to burnout, not profits. And the third trap that people fall into is the quick fix trap. Ads are important and they can help you grow your business, but it's not something that gets successful overnight. And if you don't have a solid website and a really strong email nurture campaign that really allows you to connect with these prospects, those ad dollars are going straight down the drain. So now that you know what the main problems are, how do you fix it? Well, first of all, you need to perform a money audit. Go through your payables list, and whether it's pen and paper, you're pulling up an Excel spreadsheet, QuickBooks, just run a report. But you need to list every single marketing expense that you have right now. Subscriptions, tools, courses, ads, consults, every $5, $10 purchase, everything goes on your list. Now, in the next column over, what I want you to do is ask yourself if this expense can be directly attributed to bringing in clients for your business. Also ask, are you using it consistently? Is there something else out there that would do a better job that costs less or is maybe free? And ask yourself if this is really your skill set or should you be paying an expert to do it? Here's the thing, when you are asking these questions, you have to be brutally honest with yourself. Now, the fun part. Cross off anything that isn't in the heck yes list. So if it isn't, absolutely, this is bringing me clients, absolutely, this is in my skill set, I need to keep this, then 100% keep it. Everything else, you either need to think about pausing if it's a subscription or removing altogether. This is going to be a difficult process. It's going to take a little bit of your time, but it's worth it in the end. Now, the bottom line is that marketing doesn't need to be complicated or fancy in order for it to work. A lot of the costs involved in marketing are really just myths that you are choosing to believe in. So here are some ways where you can make your money count when it comes to marketing your business. There are free tools or very, very low cost tools that do great jobs. Canva can be used for design, and there are free options there. You can also write your own amazing email sequences with a little help from ChatGPT, just so you're not looking at a blank sheet of paper. But don't tell ChatGPT to write it and then just take ChatGPT's work and use it as your own. It needs to be edited heavily. You also need to be honest about how valuable your time is. If you're spending an hour on something that you're not good at and you also don't enjoy doing, that's time that really you should be paying someone else to do it. So outsource anything that you just don't have the skill set for or you don't have the desire to do, because your time needs to be spent in your business, taking those sales calls, delivering results for clients. You need to be doing the thing that makes you a rock star. And you need to play the long game when it comes to marketing. Running an ad campaign for 2 weeks is not the solution to your lead generation problem. Your website, a clear email strategy, building relationships, and having a marketing framework that goes from step 1 all the way through to a raving fan is critical to growing your business. Now, we covered a whole lot of things today, and none of them were easy. So remember that there are a lot of hidden costs in your business that are holding you back from your success. And don't let yourself be fooled by the belief that being busy with your marketing is actually bringing in paying clients. You need to really focus on what actually moves the needle in your business. So here's what I want you to work on this week. Take an hour or 2 out of your day, complete the money audit that we talked about. You will be shocked at how much money you are spending on these quick fixes, these hacks, these, gimmicky things that everyone's trying to sell you when it comes to marketing. And if you want some help creating your own marketing plan from start to finish, I would love for you to stop on my website and just sign up for a free consultation. Until next week, I'm Jennifer with Limitless Impact.